how I schedule my business tasks with AI and what it can't do. If you are running a group program, publishing a podcast, sending a newsletter, and trying to grow your business, your brain is probably full. Mine definitely was. So I decided to build a proper weekly rhythm for my business, and I used AI to help me structure and schedule it, and really just to keep me on track. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact instructions I had to give, the information I had to share to make it work, what worked, what didn't, and importantly, what AI does not have control over. There's a lot of misunderstanding around this. We are using AI as a tool. It is not running the show. So I run a regular LinkedIn group program called The Accelerator. I also have a weekly newsletter, a weekly podcast, client work, speaking, conference planning. And what was happening was not chaos, but it was cognitive load. Having to think about too many things, too many small decisions, don't forget to do this, add this to your to-do list. That does not create a strategy, it creates stress. Instead of always saying, I need to be more organised, I built myself a weekly rhythm. Number 1, AI cannot schedule chaos. This is the most important thing. Before you set up any kind of schedule, you need to figure out what it is you're doing. So I was looking at what happens on Monday, what happens on Tuesday, what happens on Wednesday, what happens every single week, when they actually happen, who needs to be involved. AI cannot create a system for you from you being vague. So if you say, from you being too vague, so if you say, remind me to do marketing, that's no good. Instead, I had to say, tell me to prep this week's group program session and update member materials. That is specific. A clear task, clear outcome, clear cadence. Number 2, what information was required? For each task, so you have to do the work in advance, guys. For each task, I had to provide the task itself, the day, the time, whether it repeats, my time zone, and that's it. No magic mind reading happening. You have to give it the information. AI works best when you understand what you're using it for. Where do these tasks actually live? This is really important. The reminders we created live inside ChatGPT, which is the AI I used for this. They are not automatically added to my Google Calendar. AI does not secretly access your calendar and start creating events. There is no control over your personal calendar unless you explicitly connect it with a tool that allows writing access. And I did not do this in this case. In my case, ChatGPT has reminder capability inside the platform. It has read-only access to my Google Calendar. It cannot write, edit, or delete calendar events. So if you're worried about AI taking over your diary, it doesn't. You are always the person in control. All right, number 4, how do I actually convert this into my real calendar? So once we had the rhythm defined, I asked for a clean copy-paste version of the events. Title, time, repeat pattern, description. And I manually added those to the Google Calendar. Why manually? Because I want to stay in control. I want to decide how long each block is, where the buffers go, what clashes with client work. AI helps with the structure, but I then went to the next step and did the implementation myself. So what actually changed? This was not about reminders. It was about reducing mental load. Now I don't think, oh, when am I going to write the newsletter? Or, oh, sugar, I should have had my newsletter right, but I'm ready by now. It's Monday at 9 a.m. I don't think, when should I be reviewing my member work? It's because it's on my calendar, Wednesdays at 10. Decision fatigue disappears when rhythm exists. That is having leadership inside your own business. The bigger lesson here is most business owners are not actually disorganized. We just have too many ideas. They're undefined. Undefined workflow, undefined cadence, undefined repetition. AI will not be replacing your thinking. It amplifies your clear thinking. So I had defined the weekly rhythm. I translated that into repeatable tasks with AI as a helper here. I used AI to formalize it, and I keep control over my own calendar. That is it. Simple, structured, and calm. I'm over on ChatGPT and I typed in, are you able to schedule tasks for me? And it said yes. So I said, let's have a rhythm for what we want to do. Now, ChatGPT already knows what my business does. And so we created a rhythm for the group program. And what that might look like, for example, with me, it is, prep and member support, delivery day, reviews and accountability, content and assets, business and growth. And then the plan then is to create automated tasks for this that we copy and paste into Google Calendar. So you can see here I've got weekly task options, and here are 6 days of options. So Monday, Tuesday, morning and evening, because that's when I actually run the group program, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And it says, what would you like me to schedule? All of them. I'll set up the tasks, and I said all of them. So now we have these 6 recurring reminders here. So how does this get into my actual calendar? How do we do this without you accessing my calendar? And it says, let's get everything into a format to drop straight into Google Calendar. So group program events. I also created some other stuff around my podcast and my newsletter. And we have the title, the time and the day, the repeats, and a ready-made description that you then put into the Google Calendar. So that might look like this. So task 1, weekly group session prep. Title, when, repeats, and description. And this is the bit that I would copy and paste into my Google Calendar. So let's go over to Google Calendar now, and I'll show you how to set that up. So we're over on our calendar. I'm going to click on Create and Event. So we have our title, so Group Program Prep. And we're going to say it's a Monday, and we're going to put it at, say, every Monday at 9:30. And I'm going to say repeat. Yes, I'm going to do weekly on a Monday. You can do custom, of course, but I'm going to just do weekly on a Monday. And then I'm going to go to description. I'm going to paste in the description from our AI generated plan. And I'm going to click Save. And now we have got a recurring pop-up meeting. And that's how you can use AI to help you get organized. And what happens then is I will get in the morning, so I will get an email from chat to say, task update from ChatGPT, prep this week's group session and update materials. Your scheduled task has been updated. If you want help building systems like this for your visibility or content, LinkedIn, newsletter, programs all fit into a weekly rhythm, this is exactly what I'm helping my clients with. If you're interested in practical AI tools that support your business without overwhelm, I teach this. I teach people how to do this. The bigger takeaway is this: AI is not here to run your business. It is here to help you, support you making clear decisions. You are the CEO in charge of your business.